In today's video, i-review ko ang Metricool, a comprehensive social media management and analytics tool that help you optimize your online presence, whether you are a marketer, a small business owner, or a content creator. Ang Metricool ay range of features to streamline your social media efforts and track performance. So simulan na natin. Ang Metricool ay isang all-in-one social media management platform designed to simplify the process of managing and analyzing your online presence. It supports various social media platforms tulad ng Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, at kahit Google Ads. Isa sa standout features ng Metricool is its user-friendly interface. Designed ng platform to be easy to navigate with all of the tools and features clearly labeled and accessible. Isa sa core features ng Metricool ay its social media scheduling tool. Sa Metricool, pwedeng mag-schedule ng post for all of your social media accounts in one place. This is particularly useful for maintaining a consistent posting schedule at ensuring that your content reaches audiences at the optimal times. Ang visual content calendar ng Metricool provides a clear overview of your scheduled posts. This feature allows you to see at a glance what content is going out and when, which makes it super easy na i-plan ang iyong social media strategy. You can color grade your posts based on the platform campaign o content type, helping you stay organized at masiguro ang balanced content mix. Isa sa unique features ng Metricool is its ability to suggest the best times to post. By leveraging this data, you can optimize your posting schedule to maximize engagement and reach. Metricool provides detailed insights into when pinaka-active ang audience mo, kaya makakapag-schedule ka ng posts at times they are most likely to see and interact with your content. Nag-offer din ng Metricool ng comprehensive analytic tool that allows you to track the performance of your social media accounts. You can monitor key metrics tulad ng engagement, reach, impressions at follower across all your social media platforms. This data is presented in easy-to-understand graphs and charts kaya madali lang i-assess ang iyong performance at a quick glance. In addition to real-time analytics, Metricool allows you to create customizable reports that can be shared with your team or clients. Pwede mong piliin kung aling metrics to include, set the reporting period, and add your branding to the report. Ang feature na ito ay particularly useful for agencies and marketers who need to provide detailed performance reports to stakeholders. Ang competitor analysis tool ng Metricool enables you to benchmark your performance against your competitors. Pwede mong itrack ang social media activity, analyze their engagement rates, at i-identify ang trends in their content strategy. May hashtag at keyword tracking din ang Metricool, allowing you to monitor performance of specific hashtags and keywords related to your industry. Ang feature na ito helps you identify trending topics, optimize your content for search, and engage with relevant conversations on social media. Finally, ang Metricool can track the performance of your ad campaigns in real time. Ang platform provides detailed analytics on key metrics such as impressions, conversions, at ROI. Ang data na ito really helps you to assess the effectiveness of your ad campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your ad spend. Metricool also supports A or B testing para sa iyong ad campaigns. You can create multiple versions of an ad with different creatives, headlines, or targeting options and automatically test them to determine which performs best. Ang social inbox ng Metricool consolidates all of your social media messages and comments into a single interface. This feature makes it super easy to manage your social media interactions, respond to comments, and engage with your audience sa lahat ng platforms. Another cool feature is team collaboration. You can assign messages to specific team members, mag-add ng internal notes at i-track ang status ng each message. This feature allows your team to work efficiently and provides a seamless experience for your audience. Metricool easily integrates with Google Analytics, allowing you to combine data from both platforms for a comprehensive view of your online performance. Ang integration na ito enables you to track the effectiveness of your social media campaigns in driving traffic to your website at ma-identify ang areas for improvement. Next, pag-usapan natin ang pricing at plans. Ang Metricool ay may range of pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets, so you'll find a plan that fits your requirements. May free plan din ng platform with limited features, allowing you to test the tool before committing to a paid plan. As your business grows, Metricool's flexible pricing plans allows you to expand your social media efforts without breaking the bank. Madali mo ring ma-upgrade ang plan mo to access more social media accounts as your needs evolve. Next, let's talk about integration and compatibility. Ang Metricool ay nag-i-integrate seamlessly with a wide range of social media platforms as we discussed earlier, making it a comprehensive tool for managing your online presence. You can connect Metricool to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and even Google Ads. Ang integration na to allows you to manage all of your social media accounts from one centralized dashboard, streamlining your workflow at saves you time. Compatible ang Metricool with a wide range of third-party tools, enhancing its functionality and allowing you to create customized social media management system. Pwede mong i-integrate ang Metricool with tools like Zapier to automate workflows, Canva for designing graphics, and Bitly for URL shortening and tracking. Ang integrations na to enables you to streamline your workflow at i-enhance ang iyong productivity. Pag-usapan natin ang pros at cons ng Metricool. We'll start off with the pros. Metricool's clean and intuitive design makes it easy to navigate and use even for beginners. Nag-offer ang platform ng robust analytic tools to track your social media performance and make data-driven decisions. Isa pang pro ay you can schedule posts for multiple social media platforms in one place, ensuring a consistent posting schedule. Metricool's ad management features simplify the process of creating, scheduling, at tracking social media ads. From a collaboration standpoint, the platform supports team collaboration kaya madali lang mag-manage ng social media interactions at campaigns with your team. It also offers flexible pricing plans that provide excellent value for the range of features offered. Now let's go into some cons of Metricool. Ang free plan does have limited features which may not be sufficient for larger business or advanced users. While Metricool is user-friendly, it may take some time to fully explore and understand all the features lalo na sa bagong users. Like any software, Metricool can occasionally experience glitches or slowdowns pero kadalasan nare-resolve ito quickly by the support team. If you want to get started with Metricool, go ahead and click the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be brought to a page that looks like this. Next, i-click mo yung sign up. Dito pwede kang gumawa ng free account gamit ang Facebook mo o mag-sign up gamit ang email at password. Then you'll have to verify email addresses to complete the sign up. Next, we're going to answer a couple questions before we get started. What best describes you? Let's go with content creator or personal brands. How many people are going to use Metricool? Just me. I-click mo yung continue. How are you going to use Metricool? Let's do programming and publishing of content. Next, pwede mo nang i-connect ang social networks mo from here. At the top is the navigation bar. If you click on Analytics, this is where you'll be able to find all your analytics across all your platforms. Kung pupunta ka sa inbox, just like we talk about, you'll be able to see all inboxes across platforms syncing in one singular place, which is really cool. Kung pupunta ka sa planning tab, madali mong ma-schedule lahat ng content posts mo sa lahat ng social media channels. So you will stay super organized. You can also have multiple smart links here. This is where you would navigate to run campaigns, groups, advertisements, at iba pa. Overall, ang Metricool ay isang powerful at versatile na social media management tool na offers a range of features to help you optimize your online presence. Metricool's user-friendly interface, comprehensive analytics, and flexible pricing make it excellent choice for managing your social media strategy. Sana nakatulong itong video na to. Salamat sa panonood at magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na video.